AYANEO has dropped quite a lot of handheld consoles in the past few years, and recently they even showed us their plan for the upcoming flagship model, AYANEO Next 2, although more details are yet to come. But judging from the initial information, how well does it stand against the Steam Deck? Well, let's find out in this comparison video. Looking for an animation studio that can turn your story or idea into animated visuals? Look no further than 10 Studio. Our team of experts creates animated explainer videos that simplify complex ideas and bring your message to life. Our experience can help you tell your story in a way that engages your target audience and makes them remember it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out from your competition. Visit our website to know more at www.10.studio. In a recent tweet, AYANEO shared a few updates regarding design, including a few images as well, and it seems a bit thicker and bulkier compared to its predecessor, AYANEO Next. But is it going to be as thick and bulky as Steam Deck? Well, potentially, because they did confirm that it's coming with an 8-inch display, which is a bit larger than Steam Deck's 7-inch diagonal display. And there is a chance it might be even bigger and heavier compared to Steam Deck, because unlike Steam Deck's integrated RDNA 2 GPU, this particular handheld console will have discrete graphics support, which they also confirmed on the Twitter post as well. As a result, AYANEO Next 2 is going to be the first handheld with a non-integrated GPU, which could make this handheld a great gaming device, or could be a major turn of events as well. As for the processor, they haven't really specified the exact model, but they did confirm that it is going to Ryzen 7000 series GPU, which is much more powerful compared to Steam Deck's AMD Zen 2 APU processor. So yes, with this much power, we can surely expect AYANEO Next 2 to deliver us a smooth, modern AAA gaming experience. And when it comes to memory support, AYANEO hasn't disclosed this information to the audience yet, but judging from the previous releases, such as AYANEO Geek and AYANEO 2, we can clearly assume it is going to be somewhere around up to 32GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and maximum 2TB of SSD storage, whereas Steam Deck has a maximum of 16GB RAM and 516GB of SSD storage. And that leads us to the conclusion, which is the price tag. Well, just like any other handhelds on the market, none can actually beat the value of Steam Deck, especially when its price starts at $399 only and ends at $649. And the price tag for the AYANEO Next 2 is yet to be revealed. But just by looking at its specs and previous releases, we can also tell it's going to cost twice the Steam Deck, around the $1,000 mark. In the end, Steam Deck will always remain unbeatable when it comes to price and value, but if you are handheld enthusiasts who prioritize performance over price, then the AYANEO Next 2 might turn out to be a great handheld device for you. So that was all about the comparison between the latest AYANEO Next 2 and Steam Deck. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.